Bienvenido a Calle Ocho. We are here in Little Havana, which is the hub of cultural influence from those from Cuba, right here in Miami. Little Havana was actually established once you had a lot of Cubans who were fleeing from Cuba, from Castro's regime, trying to find a better way of life for their family. Being that Cuba is historically a pedestrian area, it just made sense once they went downtown towards the Freedom area for any resources that they needed to make their way towards what was then known as Shenandoah. Now we have so much Cuban culture right here on this main vein known as Calle Ocho. So when you come to Little Havana, one of the things that you must have is traditional Cuban coffee. It's not like any other coffee you'll ever experience and will definitely keep you on your feet throughout the day. One popular drink is a colada, which you can share with your friends. Next, get a real taste of cigar rolling from some of the best in the business. You have to hit up Domino Park to see the locals playing from sunup to sundown. It's something that is a staple in the Cuban culture and is pretty much transferred over here into Little Havana. Usually with dominoes, you will find that most of the men are playing. At one point, Domino Park was actually a members-only club available only to men. Women are available to come in now, but it's a very intense game that you'll play. Usually with Cuban dominoes, it's a set of 22, and they get very intense during the time here. And lastly, hit up Ball and Chain. Ball and Chain is iconic, and you have to get their world-famous mojito. Cheers!